Ah, the golden retriever. The image of a dog with a heart of gold and a gentle soul. If there's one dog that personifies joy, loyalty, and patience, it's this one. For generations, they have been the ideal family dog, the confidant of children, and the furry hug we all need. But what's so magical about these golden beings that makes them so irresistible? Are they really as perfect as they seem? Or is there a side that golden owners know well? Today, we're going to uncover the shine behind the golden retriever and understand why they've captured the world's heart. Stick with me. Golden retrievers weren't born to be magazine cover models, but for hard work in 19th century Scotland. Lord Tweedmouth, Baron of Guisachan, wanted a dog that could retrieve fallen game on land and in water with a soft mouth that wouldn't damage the prey. He crossed a yellow-coated retriever with a tweed water spaniel, now an extinct breed, and from that, the original lineage was born. This innate retrieving ability and their intelligence make them exceptional not only as hunting dogs but also as guide dogs for the blind, assistance dogs for people with disabilities, and heroes in search and rescue operations. They're not just beautiful, they're brilliant. If you could transform love and loyalty into an animal, it would be a golden retriever. They are famous for their docile, intelligent, and extremely friendly temperament. They are sociable with everyone, strangers, children, and other animals, and thrive in the company of their family. Despite their calm and patient nature, make no mistake, a golden retriever is an athlete. They need substantial daily exercise, long walks, runs, swimming, which they love, and many fetching sessions. They live to play and work. Without enough physical and mental activity, a golden can become bored and, well, too creative. And what does a bored golden do? Oh, they might invent ways to entertain themselves, which isn't always fun for you. Keeping your golden retriever happy and healthy requires some specific care. That beautiful golden coat needs regular brushing, at least 2 to 3 times a week, to prevent mats and reduce shedding. Yes, they shed a lot, especially during seasonal changes. Be prepared for some golden glitter in your life. I repeat, they need activity. An occupied mind and body ensure a happy, well-behaved golden. Invest in interactive toys and activities that challenge them. Like Labradors, golden retrievers have a voracious appetite and are prone to obesity. It's crucial to monitor their diet and avoid excessive treats. They are predisposed to issues like hip and elbow dysplasia. A balanced diet, adequate exercise, no over-exercising puppies, and regular vet visits are essential. Their intelligence and desire to please make them easy to train. But consistency and positive reinforcement are key. They respond very well to affection and praise. Why has the golden retriever become the icon of the family dog worldwide? The answer is simple. They are the embodiment of unconditional love and kindness. They have legendary patience, unwavering loyalty, and an infinite capacity for love. If you're looking for a dog that's always happy to see you, that listens without judgment, and that's always ready for an adventure or a couch cuddle, the golden is the right choice. They bring light and positive energy to any home. Before you fall completely in love and bring a golden puppy home, some important reflections. Do you have an active lifestyle? They need a lot of exercise to be happy. Are you prepared for a lot of shedding and for regular brushing? Do you have time for socialization and training? A well-socialized and trained golden is a wonderful dog, but this requires your time and dedication. Are you ready to have a shadow that loves you unconditionally? They adore being close to their humans. If your answers are yes, prepare to be flooded with golden love. The golden retriever is more than just a breed. It's a lifestyle, a promise of days filled with joy, adventure, and affection. They teach us to live with enthusiasm, to love without reservations, and to find happiness in the simplest things. They are not just man's best friend, they are often the best family member. Do you have a golden retriever? What's the sweetest or funniest thing they've ever done? Share your story in the comments. If you loved this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more breed guides, and share with all golden lovers. A tail wag and see you next time.